Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you want to add a family member to Spotify so you guys can share music to each other, I've got you covered. First, open the Spotify app on your mobile device. Then tap on the profile icon on the top left corner of your screen. From here, tap on View Profile, then tap on the three dots next to the Edit button. From here, you can either go and tap on Find Friends, then connect your Facebook account and add your family member, or you can go ahead and tap on the three dots, then tap on Share. From here, you can share your profile directly to a family member you want to. You can either copy link or share with them directly through messages. Now you guys know how to add a family member to Spotify. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.